Our Supernova. This is our Rubik's Cube solver. Not really, it's a mixer. It's a mixer.
I'm Alana.
I'm Eric.
Brian.
TJ.
And this is our robot. General way it looks.
The robot holds the Rubik's Cube and spins it on 3 axes. There's an arm, which is here, and that pushes the Rubik's Cube over on its other side, and then the base, which spins it, and the claw, which holds it in place while it spins.
It took forever to get the programming down to the batteries, which totally switched up the speed. But it just basically pushes and spins it 3 times on 3 different axes. So.
We've had lots of problems with this, mainly with like it spinning and then not having enough power. So with the base, we have a little special part that has a worm drive in it that spins in the gear. And so it's really geared super low, so it goes pretty slow. Probably geared out, but we had time. But we had a lot of problems with like sliding, and so we put a credit card in there, or not a credit card, a SeaWorld credit card in there, and that's about it. The base.
And then another problem we were having was the arm. That was like our biggest issue at the beginning, was trying to get it to where it would flip it over and hit it just right. So that was like, I think we went through like 3 of them before we got.
And then for the claw that was holding the Rubik's Cube, we had a lot of trouble with it twisting and not wanting to like stay rigid. And so it would end up that the cube would be like half twisted in between a turn. So we had to go back and rebuild and make it as strong as possible. And then also, because we came up with our own design, the whole thing, when the base twisted, it kind of wants to twist the whole thing because we just didn't really have enough parts to keep it all strong.
Okay, can we see?
Sure. How it works this time. The next time.
Okay.